Hi everybody, this is my first video in English and today I'm gonna show you how to restore deleted data on Samsung phones. By the way, if you support me with like and subscribe, I will be happy and I will make more and more interesting videos. So let's start the video. Let's go to phone settings and we press the search button from here and we write that Samsung Cloud and select Samsung Cloud, and from here too. By the way, if you must be connected to the internet during this process, and we select restore data from here. As you can see, the last backup was this morning. This process is automatic and you can do it yourself if you want. And here too you can restore data by press this button. And if you also want to delete this data from Samsung Cloud, just click this button, data backups. And at the end of my video I can say that thanks for watching.